Hello viewers, today I am going to show you a new pattern. First of all, you have to make a chain of 42. Then make extra 3 chains, and in the 4th chain make a double crochet. Now we have to make the 2 rows of double crochet. So for that purpose we are going to fill this chain with double crochet. Now make a chain of 3, and in the next 3 stitches make a double crochet, make a chain of 4, and in the 6th stitch make a double crochet, then 2 chains and a double crochet. So we will have a double crochet, 2 chains and a double crochet in a single stitch. Then make a chain of 4, and in the 6th stitch we are going to make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet again in the same stitch. Now you can see how this pattern look like. Now make a chain of 4 again, and in the 6th stitch make double crochet, 2 chains and a double crochet. Then make a chain of 4, and in the 6th stitch we are going to make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet again, and then make a chain of 4 again, and in the 6th stitch we will have a double crochet, and make 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now row 3 is complete. Make a chain of 3 again and make double crochet on the next 3 stitches. Make a chain of 3 and in the next empty space we will make 5 double crochet. Then make a chain of 3 again and in the middle of 6 stitches we are going to make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet again. Make 3 chains again and in the next empty space we are going to make 5 double crochet. Then make a chain of 3 and in the middle of 6 stitches we will again make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet again. Make a chain of 3 again and in the next empty space make 5 double crochet, again 3 chains and a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now row 4 is complete. Now make a chain of 3 again. Make double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then make a chain of 2. In the middle of 5 double crochet we will make a double crochet, 2 chains, a double crochet, then 2 chains, a double crochet, then 2 chains, a double crochet, then 2 chains and a double crochet. You can see how I make this. We will have 6 double crochet and 5 empty spaces. You can see make 2 chains again and in the middle of 6 double crochet we will make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet again. Then make 2 chains, a double crochet, 2 chains, a double crochet, 2 chains, double crochet, 2 chains. We will repeat this until we have 6 double crochet and 5 empty spaces. Repeat this pattern until the line is complete. I will repeat the pattern of row 5. We will make 3 chains and 2 double crochet, a chain of 2, and then in the empty spaces we will make a double crochet, 2 chains, a double crochet, then 2 chains, then a double crochet, then 2 chains, a double crochet, then 2 chains and a double crochet. So we will have 6 double crochet and 12 chains on those 5 stitches. Now we will start row 6 with a chain of 3 and 2 double crochet. Then we will fill the empty spaces with 3 double crochet and a single crochet. We will fill the empty spaces with 3 double crochet and a single crochet, and then we will jump into the next empty space. We will again make 3 double crochet and a single crochet. We will fill the whole empty spaces with 3 double crochet and a single crochet, and then we will jump into the next empty space. Then we will make 3 double crochet and a single crochet again. We will repeat this process until we have 5 petals. Then make a chain of 1, and in the middle of 6 double crochet make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet again. Make a chain again and then jump to make 5 petals. Repeat this process until the line is complete. Now we will make row 7. The pattern of row 7 is same as pattern of row 1. We will make a chain of 3, 2 double crochet, and again chain of 4. And on the 5th petal we will make a double crochet, then a chain of 2 and a double crochet again. Then we will make a chain of 4, and in the middle of 6 double stitches we will make 6 double crochet again. When you are done with 6 double crochet, make a chain of 4 again, and then on the 5th petal make a double crochet, a chain of 2, then a double crochet in the same stitch, and then make a chain of 4, and in the middle of 6 double crochet make 6 double crochet. Then make 4 chains and a double crochet, and repeat this process until the line is complete. Repeat the pattern of row 4 in the next row, and we will repeat the patterns until it complete our desired length. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.